should have just a meltdown of, God damn it! I don't know. Never mind. Let's not. You're strumming along. Pick goes on the guitar. You shake the thing. It's impossible to get out. But here, I have an awesome little trick to make the whole thing easier. You can hear my pick rattling around in there. What I'm going to do... This isn't really working. I think we better start over. I don't mean to drop it so far in. I'll just think about the chromatic scale while you record. And if they can't get it, then fuck them. You know, they're not trying. The part where I use English wrong. This is step one. There is infinity to go with muting. I was gonna kind of say like, spread your wings. I don't know, but what I said was you just take these notes and spread your legs. We fucking lost it. Like class was over. It was like, just spread your legs and fly. Oh, it's fucking weird. I'm not totally comfortable with it, but it's happening.